That drone is right here. He saw me coming. Oh. No, it sounds like angry wasps. Freaks me out. Where is he? He's right here. Where is he? He's right here. Oh, you can see me. There's a drone right here. Hope that shows up on the camera. The sound. I think I know where the pilot is. I want to sneak out and try to catch the pilot. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, wow. Oh, he's up there. See, he's hovering right there. That is a good drone. That is an amazing pilot. He's up there. He's probably looking at me, looking at him. He was right here, right over our house, looking in the windows, right in our yard. The guineas were freaking out and screaming, and I wondered why. And that's the girls are running around half undressed. And here he is looking at our house. There he goes. I think I know where he is this time. I'm camouflaged this time. He was looking at my girls. I am not happy. I know where he's hiding this time. They're in here. One day I'm going to catch the pilot. I can hear voices. I want to catch that pilot. I just heard the drone go down over here. There's a vehicle. There they are. I gotta try to get their plates. I gotta gather the evidence. That's the pilot. That's the pilot. I was gonna sneak up. I need your license plate. Look, that's the pilot. They're backing up. That's the pilot. I wish I'd have got their license plate. You can tell that's not normal actions of a person that's not guilty. Come on. They're gonna turn around. That's definitely the pilot. They're still going backwards. Oh, I wish I could get that license plate. Oh, I wish I could get that license plate. Yeah, they just said F you, Troy. Definitely. Oh, there's one light out. Well, that's definitely not innocent acting people, is it? They know me by name. Look at them. I can't even see them with my eyes. They're that far away. Come on, turn back this way. They just went down Williams Road a mile away. This is an awesome camera. This is an awesome camera. I was coming out here to get their plate.